I made a pancake, and when Nancy and Ted were camping with us, Nancy gave me the best gift ever. She gave me some huckleberry jelly, and Maddie and I shared it. And this morning I was like, no, it's all gone. I want huckleberry jelly. I put it on my eggs, I put it on my sausage, I put it on my bacon, I put it on everything. I know it sounds gross, but I like sweet and salty. I had to break out my strawberry fruit spread. But I love that huckleberry. It was homemade. I think her sister made it, or I think so. Anyways, I was sitting there going, oh, I want more. More, please. It was delicious. So thank you, Nancy. Okay. Back to the common folk brand. I'm just craving pancakes. I made eggs and bacon and cheese burrito, and I was like, no. I put it away. I'm like, no. I want pancakes. You know what would be good is put a slice of bacon in there and then fold it and eat it like a sandwich. Meg's like, are you pregnant? This is how I eat. This is how I eat. Weird taste buds. I don't eat a lot, but I do eat weird stuff. Before I came out, I heard something on my step, and it was a little chipmunk, and I scared him so much. Look, Chip left a little chocolate chip. Look at it. Went right through my camp. Oh. Good Lord, he lifted up my mat, lifted up that mat. It went in my face. I shut the door just in time so it wouldn't put dirt all over Roxy. That thing was loud. Ugh. I mean, it lifted up this mat with this heavy rock. And this one. That's how strong it was. Good thing I was here, because I had just come up from the river. This blanket's getting so dirty. I love it though. I love that blanket. But it collects every little piece of dirt, and I had attached this earlier, so good thing. Good thing Roxy wasn't in there. Yep. Close this up. I should put some heavy duty rocks here. I gotta pick up that cigarette butt. I didn't know Maddie smokes. Well, some ladies would be like, yeah, he's smoking. It's like these are baby rocks when it comes to these winds. Trees are swaying. It's okay if they're swaying. It's this one that I worry about. Snapping. Don't snap. Just sway. She's just sleeping through it all. She's like, I'm tired. She's either tired or she's depressed. She didn't cry when Maddie left, but she's having that same, after effects. But she was doing good today. She was doing good this morning. It's coming again. It's coming. It's coming. Ah. Oh, dragonfly. I haven't seen a dragonfly. Look at him. Go to the water, dragonfly. Don't they like to hop skip over the water? She's not phased. No, don't come in. Don't come in. My son once said, what's so great about camping? If it was so great, why do the bugs always try to come in? He has a point. Wheezy. Oh, there she goes. It's almost like a cat.
That's that ermine weasel. Man, that's right in camp we was practicing.
Ron and I were out there, and we saw that weasel, and then Roxy's going to the bathroom, and all of a sudden it's like it starts raining. I'm like, sugar babies need to come in. Time to go home. We're gonna melt. The clouds disappeared, the rain disappeared, but the winds are blowing hard. I've got my generator on because I'm getting ready to take a shower. But yeah, it's very deceiving because it looks beautiful and everything, but you can see the trees moving, and I can hear it. Even through my generator, I can hear it. I'm keeping an eye on my rugs. But I love how the sun came out. Come look on this side. You'll see how it just passed us by. See it over there? Here, let's open up. Sorry about the noise. It's clear over there, but... my curtain just fell on me. Like a guillotine. I gotta have Maddie fix this. This will be a tinker job for him. And I'll pay him with some more food. I'll pay him with the, what do you call them? The pancakes with the sausage. Ooh, those turned out so good. Yeah, I tighten this and then it comes loose. So maybe he can figure out how to permanently keep it tightened. And it comes down just at the weird moments.